Hello everyone and welcome to a series of lectures on business, policy and strategic management. Now this course is offered in the third semester of the MBA program of Barakatullah University. Your faculty is Dr. Suchitra Shrivastava, Professor in the Department of Management in the SAGE group of institutions. So let us begin by understanding what is business policy. It is a set of guidelines, rules, principles that govern an organization's actions and decision making, especially for routine activities. Hence, we may say that business policy refers to the rules and guidelines that an organization uses to make consistent decisions for repetitive tasks. Now, these are basically operational guidelines that ensure consistency and efficiency. Now, let us understand what is the purpose of business policy. Now, its purpose is to ensure consistency, uniformity, and a framework for the employees to make logical, repetitive decisions without needing constant top-level consultation. So basically, it helps the managers for making decisions regarding routine jobs or routine tasks. Now, the scope. It primarily focuses on day-to-day operations and what the organization aims to do. So basically, it keeps in mind what and how the organization is going to accomplish its tasks. Now, let us understand its nature. These are fixed rules that provide direction for known situations. For example, the HR policies, the quality standards, the material procurement rules, marketing guidelines, etc. Let us now understand what is strategic management. It is the dynamic process of formulating, implementing, evaluating, and controlling strategies to achieve long-range organizational goals. Hence, it is a comprehensive long-term process of setting goals, formulating plans, and allocating resources to achieve those goals. It provides an overarching roadmap and competitive direction for the entire organization's future. Let us now understand the purpose of strategic management. The purpose is to define the long-term goals, anticipate market trends, and secure a competitive advantage through effective resource allocation. Now, please understand that strategic management talks about the long-term perspective. So here we are talking about a longer duration of time. We are talking about the long-term planning to achieve competitive advantage. So we have a broad time frame in mind. Now, the scope. It takes a long-term perspective, anticipating future challenges and opportunities. Nature. It is a comprehensive and flexible plan of action that guides major organizational decisions for situations not previously encountered. So here maybe we are talking about the long-term survival of the firm, long-term competitive advantage of the firm. So here we may be talking about mergers with certain companies, we may be talking about some acquisitions, we may be talking about the long-term expansion, maybe diversifying into new product lines or maybe entering new markets. So the time horizon here basically is very large. Now, the process, it involves environmental analysis, strategic alternative consideration, strategic choice, and ongoing implementation and control. So I hope now the basic definition of business policy and strategic management is clear to you. Business policy basically are the rules and regulations, and strategic management talks about the long-term planning to achieve organizational goals. Now, these are the references for the above PPT. Thank you students for your attention and time. In the next lecture, we will be talking more about what is business policy and what is strategic management. We'll try to carry out a comparative analysis of the